Hey guys, it's Rosie Mum Anna. A long time no see. Happy New Year. So, the way it works in Australia is we start our new school year at the beginning of the new year. My daughter will be in grade 8 this year, which is high school. It's her second year of high school, and she does go to a private school, but they have they don't have a no makeup rule. They have appropriate to the age sort of taste rule. So, what I'm doing today is, with my daughter's permission, I have curated her grade 8, so that means you either turn 14 or you either go into the grade turn 14, or some people turn 15 in grade 8. But anyway, yeah, so firstly, obviously, you need a bag, so we've got this little nice lavender L'Oreal Paris one, a bit of the good old Garnier Micellar cleansing water. She uses the Garnier hair food at the moment, the pineapple, because she has long hair. So pineapple shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. Always uses Maui hair food for curly hair. This is something I've been loving, just using while we style her hair. So it's the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture plus coconut milk weightless oil mist for dry hair. So her hair can get dry. The only reason I still help her style it somewhat is because it is incredibly long, thick, and curly, and we're both coming to terms with how to deal with it. Her dad has curly hair. I don't, and he's not a lot of help. But anyway, then this I think is great. She's got really nice tan skin. We live near the beach, but Nobody's Nobody. It's a brand from our supermarket. I think a lot of my favourite products actually are. Apparently, it's been available in lots of Woolworths for years. We only got it a little while ago. So, like her skincare routine, which I would say is another video, but it's only 3 products. Like it's cleanser, toning prep spray, and moisturizer. But the moisturizer is Nobody's Nobody glow moisturizer. So, like they have products that are somewhat similar to Drunk Elephant or popular products, I'll say, but they don't try and dupe the packaging or whatever. Like another brand I'll show you, which I think you guys are getting soon. But anyway, this is bronzing and firming body oil, because they wear school uniforms and stuff. Like it's a school dress or a skirt in summer, and shorts for PE and short sleeves, and this just looks really nice, smells gorgeous, doesn't look fake, and it just washes off in the shower at the end of the night. Okay, now we get into makeup. So for base, now this is MCO Beauty. You'd be forgiven for thinking it's Charlotte Tilbury because they duped hard. I am told America is now getting MCO Beauty. What it is, it's actually available in some drugstores. They have its own online store, and then it's mostly available in supermarkets. I have been a fan of this for years. It didn't used to be such a dupe brand. I can do a standalone video of them and show you some of their first ever products and stuff. And they also do like stuff for kids, like on her school bag, for example. She's got a little charm that's like got 3 mini lip glosses, and they have like phone pop socket holders with a lip gloss in it, and at Christmas make your own bath bomb kits and that sort of thing. But anyway, this is their Flawless Glow. Obviously, it's a dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. It's a pretty good dupe, and it's a reasonable base for a 14-year-old who doesn't want to cover her skin. The other one I would suggest is the Maybelline 4-in-1 Glow. It looks like a giant eraser. Gigi Hadid did the ad, like, hello, Glow Talk. That one, I use that one. This is a better colour for her. The other one's a little bit pinky, but anyway, that. Then, as I was saying, so you can see that's a Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and this, who are we duping here? Although I will say, so these are $32, which you'll say, well, that's the same price. In Australia, Drunk Elephant bronzing drops are $65. So, MCO Beauty Super Glow bronzing drops, they're obviously basically the same as Drunk Elephant ones. I don't own Drunk Elephant ones, but I have swatched them and stuff. I'll put a little swatch of these. It won't come out because I'm trying to show you. But okay, I won't show you. But yeah, it's basically exactly the same. You can look up some specialized videos on it, but yeah, she can just mix that with the Charlotte Tilbury thing because she watches it all and she's not a Sephora kid. We don't have Sephora in Tasmania, and she doesn't go shopping without me, and she would never do it. But anyway, yeah, this was all from the supermarket. So yeah, that would be her base there. Then for lips, we have either this Emco Beauty. What is this called? Sheer Red Lip Oil. It sort of tastes like cherries. It's a beautiful. Yeah, like I said, so far everything's from Sumo. This is same thing, and this is their pH adjusting. I don't even want to hear it. She's nearly 14. She likes it. It adjusts to an individual color for your thing. But anyway, yeah. And the packaging once again is a big dupe, but yeah, these products are just so expensive here. You've got no idea. Like the Christian Dior lip oils that are 40 over there are like 70 here. A naked pallette's $110. Then we have another lovely dupe by MCO Beauty. This is a glowy blush wand. Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand in Blush Glow. Works exactly the same. It's not massively pigmented, which makes it perfect for a 14-year-old, which is why I gave it to her. That was I do love MCO products. I just wish they would do what they used to do and make their products and not be such like a makeup revolution about it, like trying to trick you that you're getting the original product annoys me. Just make good products that we can afford. Then a Tarte Big Ego mascara that was in a Christmas bonbon, and I don't know why I put this in here because I don't think she'll want eyeliner a day in her life, but it's just like a felt tip eyeliner. If she's feeling fancy, she won't. This is the sort of only eyeshadow palette thing that she needs or uses at the moment. This is the Essence Be Kissed by the Moon Iron Faced palette, and it's just some lovely little shimmery shadows. It's a bit sort of like the Urban Decay thing that's come out, and she just puts a little bit of the gold one on the end of her nose, the white one on her inner corners, and sweeps a little bit of the orange one. Orange, you know what I mean, the champagne pop looking one where highlighter goes. Blah, blah. And then, because it's summer, we also have one of these. This is not the Revlon one. It's just a drugstore brand, but they work really well. Just to absorb. She doesn't have particularly oily skin, but after PE, she really likes using that. And the only other thing in there is an Essence Watermelon Refresher Spray. So that is what I have curated for my daughter to have as her grade 8 makeup routine. Like I said, she does have a skincare routine, but it's not worth a video. It's cleanser, Asano Happy Skin Prep Tone and Prep Spray with hyaluronic acid or something, and then the Nobody's Nobody Glowing Daily Moisturizer for young skin, and that's it. So comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if you think I'd like your video or your channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.